Open the refrigerator door and check status of the LED or light bulb. Are they glowing? If not glowing or it is dim, then it is indicative of low input electrical supply voltage. Low input electrical can adversely impact the cooling performance of your product. Though your LG refrigerator is designed to work within input electrical supply range of 160 volt to 290 volt, it is advised that if the input electrical supply is persistently below 160 volt, then it is better to use a good quality voltage stabilizer. Open the refrigerator door and look into the rear of the compartment to locate a temperature knob. It is located above the first shelf from the top. Check the temperature knob setting. Is it set at 1 or 2? Rotate the knob to change the same to 4 or 5 setting. It is advised to set as per recommended setting on the instruction label pasted on the freezer door. Note that 1 means lowest cooling, whereas 7 means highest cooling. Example: if the current setting is at 1 and you require more cooling, then you need to change the same to 4, 5 or 6 as required. Check if the airflow knob setting is set at SF, 6 or 5. Rotate and change the same to 2 or 1 to increase the level of cooling to the refrigerator compartment. Open the freezer door and check if any food item is placed inside that is blocking the return air path. Rearrange any such obstructing food item properly to ensure that the return air duct is not blocked. Are food items and utensils kept in the refrigerator compartment in such a manner so as to prevent or hinder free airflow inside the unit? Note: improper placement or overstuffing the refrigerator compartment can seriously impede cooling performance. Rearrange the articles so as to allow sufficient space between utensils and food stuff, and also the rear portion for proper air circulation. Check how the vegetables are stored inside the vegetable box. Are they kept in polythene cover as depicted? It is improper to keep vegetables tightly wrapped in polythene cover. It is best to use polythene covers with air holes in them. Even wire bags can be used. In case these are not available, please place the vegetables in normal polythene cover, but keep it partially open. In the vegetable box cover tray, locate the humidity control selector switch. What is the setting of the same? Low or high? Low for green or leafy vegetables. Needs to retain moisture. High for fruits and bigger vegetables. Needs to release moisture. In door closed conditions, check the status of the refrigerator door gasket. Is it uniformly fixing to the refrigerator body all along the complete length of the door? If not, open the door and then slowly put the door gasket from any one corner in the door and slowly remove from groove. Refix the complete gasket back into the groove in the door and then close the door and check for uniform fixing.